Yamaha will revive the legendary motorcycle, the Yamaha RD350 N. Reportedly, the new Yamaha RD350 N will be introduced next year. The RD350 N name is so full of prestige that it is quite natural that Yamaha wants to resurrect it in a modern form. The Yamaha RD350 N is a motorcycle built by Yamaha in 1983, replacing the Yamaha RD350 LC, and continued in production until 1986. The motorcycle was introduced at the Cologne Motorcycle Show and was the first road racing motorcycle ever produced at the time. The new Yamaha RD350 N uses a parallel twin engine with almost the same stroke and cylinder diameter as its predecessor. It is equipped with the Yamaha Power Valve System, YPVS, which revolutionized the two-stroke engine. The new Yamaha RD350 N is equipped with a 347 cubic centimeters, two-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine powered by two Mikuni carburetors, which produces 59 horsepower peak power at 9,000 RPM and 47 Nm, 35 lb-ft of torque at 8,000 RPM. The new Yamaha RD350N engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission with a wet multi-plate clutch and channels its power to the rear wheel via a final chain drive, propelling the motorcycle to a top speed of 188 km per hour, 117 miles per hour. To compensate for the large engine, the new Yamaha RD350N relies on two 267mm discs with single-piston calipers on the front wheel and one 267mm disc with single-piston caliper on the rear wheel. The new RD350N will be 2,185mm long, 890mm wide, 1,223mm high and 1,442mm wheelbase. The bike seat height is 800mm and it weighs 143 kilograms. The new Yamaha RD350N is also equipped with a conventional telescopic front suspension monoshock at the rear. The new RD350N is equipped with 90/1851H front tire rear tire, 110/80, 1858H.